In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL in Google Sites. If you've already built a site in Google Sites, but the web address doesn't quite match your project, your brand, or your class name, you don't have to start over. You can simply update the published URL. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. First, open your Google site in edit mode. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple sites. You want to see the full Google Sites editing interface with the menus on the right-hand side and the publish controls at the top. If you only see the live site, go back to your Google Drive or Google Sites dashboard and open the site from there so you can edit it. Once your site is open in the editor, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Publish button. Right next to it, there's a small arrow pointing downward. Instead of clicking directly on Publish, click on that arrow to open a drop-down menu with more options related to your site's publishing. From this drop-down, choose the option labeled Publish Settings. This is where Google Sites stores all the key settings for how your site appears on the web. Clicking it will open a new window or panel with several options, including who can view your site and, most importantly for us, the current web address. In the Publish Settings window, find the field that shows your site's current web address. This is usually the part of the URL that comes after the main Google Sites domain. Click inside that web address field to activate it. Now, type in the new URL you'd like to use. Try to make it short, clear, and easy to remember. Avoid spaces and special characters. Sticking to letters, numbers, and hyphens works best. If the address you choose is already taken, Google Sites will let you know and you'll need to adjust it slightly. Once you're happy with your new web address, look for the Save button at the bottom of this window and click it. Saving will apply your new URL to the published version of your site. After that, you can click Publish again if needed, and then test your new link in a fresh browser tab to make sure it's working as expected. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the URL of your Google site.